You see some hatched eggs?
Want to see another?
Oh, get the right Hazel back. Get back. Yep. Want to say hey? Hey. And where's Ava? Ava here. She's got a loose tooth finally, huh?
I see.
So we're gonna go get some water balloons and have some fun.
Mama, found the water balloons. But blow them up.
You ready to go blow them up with water? Ooh,
Yeah.
Those are fun ones. A bunch of neon colors in that one.
Blue, green, yellow, pink, maroon, orange.
A bunch of fun colors. Hey, Buzzy. Let me see your bubbles. You doing better? Yep. Tell her what we did, Lulu. So her friend gave her that for her birthday. We made her fairy garden.
Yeah, look.
What's it do?
What did we plant?
For the
It literally
sun.
came with a solar panel.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, dinner tonight. I feel good. I'm like back cooking dinner. I've got some French style green beans I've done, some rice, and we're doing rice and gravy with turkey, and so it smells really yummy. I've actually never made this turkey before, but I got this turkey pre-cut at Costco. Made some gravy and kind of just been simmered in there. It kind of feels like Thanksgiving a bit, which is making me super excited, and it smells really good. So yeah, super simple meal tonight with turkey, green beans, and rice and gravy. Ready to eat some turkey and rice and gravy? Mmm. And by Riley's request, she wanted to have, what's in there, Hazel? Are they yummy? Crescent rolls. How many are you gonna eat?
Dad.
A lot.
All of them.
So I usually only make like one thing of crescent rolls because
All of
we will
my
eat them all. But one pack is 8.
All of my crescent rolls.
We each get one, and there's always, I want another one. Today I made 2 packs, so lots of crescent rolls. Be dirty. Did you have a fun day? What's on your chin? That blue mark on your chin. Marker? Hey, Buzzy.
Papa.
Gonna finish the dishwasher while the bread is cooking and time for dinner. Well, that was a successful meal. Everybody ate and we barely had any leftovers. So I could say that was a win. There's nothing that makes me more excited when we have a meal that feeds everybody in the house and we have no fighting and complaining. So I'm gonna try to find, put it all together and share it on my blog for you guys, like I used to do my Monday meals. And so we're not gonna go out for a walk because it's nice. Bubba, go for a walk, buddy. Go for a walk. All right.
It's not fired. Look.
We're all clean, bathed, showered, got our PJs, and we're gonna start a movie night. So, our big love sack pillow, it's still out of the cover. Lays out to like this huge queen size bed, and it's super cozy.
I'm gonna do this.
So-
I've seen this show before. What? Do this. Mrs. Doubtfire. I want this show.
Mrs. Doubtfire.
Please,
So,
I want this.
okay, we're gonna look at new movies and see if there's a movie we haven't watched yet before. So, Saturday movie
I
night.
want this.
Well,
I was wondering who was gonna fall asleep.
you're the first maiden I've met who hasn't swooned at the sight of me.
Then maybe I've done you some good.
Parker's sleeping.
Look, I've never stolen anyone's land or livelihood. I'm facing the kingdom as much as anyone.
I am not.
So you have a new plan once you
I
take the
am
crown?
not sleeping.
You're not sleeping?
Well,
Parker's always first.
sort of. But of course I can reveal it to a subject.
PK.
That's what I thought.